Climate change, a global cancer that threatens the existence of humanity, plants, and animals. Aid the Planet is an NGO that advocates and strives to find a practical solution to the current climate change crisis. Aid the Planet is coming out with a climate change writing competition for 50 selected basic schools in partnership with Ghana Education Service to develop their speaking, writing skills, and to harness the creative art potentials of students at young age. The competition is open to all basic school students who are interested in participating. Are you good at singing, acting, poem recitation, or showing any creative art that demonstrates how we can find a lasting solution to the climate change apocalypse? Then this is an opportunity for you to win awesome prizes in the competition. Together, we can still win the fight to avert the horror of the climate change crisis. Interested students can contact Aid the Planet on 0248 126 998 or visit their Gmail at aidtheplanet1@gmail.com. And for more information about Aid the Planet, you can visit their website at www.aidtheplanet.org. Aid the Planet, avert a nearing apocalypse.
Climate change is a disaster.
Aid the planet.
Climate change is a disaster.